मैम आपका माइक म्यूट है।
Okay, okay. I'm sorry. Okay, now can you hear me now?
यस मैम।
Yes, it's unmuted. Which paragraph we have to continue beta now? Tell me today. I don't have the book. Actually, my book has been taken away by a student. I'll do it from the chapter that has been downloaded by me. You tell me the paragraph or the line. I'll just try to find it out. Hurry up.
Ma'am, I'm on page number 20.
Do not
The
tell me
policy
the
of
page number. What I said today, I do not have
Yeah,
the
ma'am,
book.
I'm telling the line.
Yes.
The policy of apartheid created a deep and lasting wounds
Okay,
in
okay,
my
I got
country and
it.
my
Got it. Put the date. Arpita, announce it for everyone. Which page number? Because many of them might not be knowing.
page number 20, last paragraph.
Page number 20, children, and the last para. And remember, the students who are not attending the class and they are sending the present will not be marked as present. Since the beginning, I have done it. ध्यान रखिएगा. Many of you are sending your attendance. You are not attending the class, so you people are not marked as present. Date written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Come to the chapter. The policy of apartheid created a deep and lasting wound in my country and my people. Now, Nelson Mandela, he further says that the policy that was adopted by the white people, which policy? Policy of apartheid. And apartheid, we know na? Yes. Segregation means
Discrimination.
division on the grounds of race. Okay. So this apartheid, you know, the policy of apartheid that was created by the white people, it created a big wound. What is a wound? What is a wound? Yes, Harsh Mundra. Wound.
घाव.
घाव है ना. तो अब कौन सा घाव? Not any physical injuries were there, okay, but internal injuries were there. People were hurt so much, है ना. उनके ऐसे घाव हो गए थे अंदर से, okay. In my country and my people means the people, they were injured internally. समझ में आया? Internally समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All of us will spend many years, if not generation, recovering from that profound hurt. Okay? Profound is deep. Can you hear me, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Just wait for a second, let the vehicle move. Wait for a second. Okay. So now this policy of apartheid that was created by the white people, it created a big wound. Yani internally it hurts the people of Africa. They got so much scared that Nelson Mandela, he says that it is going to take a long time, okay, for these people, for my country and for the black people to recover from this profound injury. Profound is what? Deep injury. समझ में आया कि उनको इतनी चोट पहुंची है, इतने ज्यादा डरे सहमे हैं कि अब काफी टाइम लगेगा उनको इस इंजरी से, इस दुख से, है ना, इस डर से वो उभर पाए. Got it? Listening, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But
Yes,
the
ma'am.
decades of, okay, now see, attentive, but the decades of oppression and brutality had another unintended effect, and that was it produced the Oliver Tambo's, underlined the Walter Siselius, the Chief Luthelius, the Yusuf Dadus, the Bram Fishers, the Robert Suberquest of our time, men of such extraordinary courage, wisdom, and generosity that their like may never be known again. Okay, the writer means means Nelson Mandela. He says that though the system of apartheid that was introduced by white people, it had lot of negative impacts. Okay, but you know, due to that negativity, it gave birth to many strong and courageous men, okay, who stood up and raised their voice against this apartheid and against the white government. समझ में आया कि ये सारा सिस्टम ऑफ apartheid जो था बेटा, it had lot of negative effects, लेकिन इस negativity ने birth दिया है बहुत intelligent, बहुत courageous और बहुत brave लोगों को that raised up their voice against the injustice that was done with them, with the people of their country. Clear? And the names of such people have been given there. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me
Yes, ma'am.
why a person revolts against somebody. Why a
Ma'am, because
person
freedom.
revolts against somebody. Yes, Rahul,
For
why?
freedom.
Yes, Rahul, I'm not able to hear. Repeat it.
Ma'am, become freedom.
Become freedom. Okay, why did people of India, they revolted against Britishers? Why did they raise up their voice against British administration?
Because they taken the rights.
They had taken the rights. They were so brutal.
They are
They had been
oppressed.
so cruel, and they oppressed the countrymen
Hello.
so much that finally,
Hello, ma'am.
okay, the countrymen
Hello.
were forced to raise up their voices. Okay, इतनी cruelties उन लोगों ने करी थी कि finally देश के लोगों को उनके खिलाफ आवाज उठानी पड़ी. तो similarly Nelson Mandela, he also tells us that though it had lot of negative impacts, जो brutality थी, उनका oppression था, racism था, जो भी उन्होंने adopt करा था और इतना ज्यादा dominate और oppress करा था to the people of South Africa, that their brutality, their oppression, sorry, it gave birth to many great heroes of the country who raised their voice against the injustice done to the black people, to them, or to the people like them of South Africa. And finally, a day came when South Africa came out victorious. Okay, when freedom movement that was started by these people, though it lasted for a long time, finally the result was victory of the black people. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
My country is rich
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
minerals and gems that lie beneath its soil, but I have always known that its greatest wealth is its people. Underline. Finer and truer than the purest diamonds. Okay. The writer says, you know, South Africa, As we all know, it is very rich in minerals and gems. Okay, तो साउथ अफ्रीका तो ये फेमस है कि वहां पर मिनरल्स और जेम्स बहुत होते हैं, लेकिन नेल्सन मंडेला ये कहना चाहते हैं बेटा कि उसकी जो रिचेस्ट वेल्थ है, ओके, ग्रेटेस्ट स्ट्रेंथ है ना, वो क्या है? नॉट द मिनरल्स एंड जेम्स दैट आर फाउंड इन साउथ अफ्रीकन सॉइल, बट द ग्रेटेस्ट वेल्थ ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका इज इट्स पीपल. ओके, वहां के लोग जो बहुत फाइनर हैं, बहुत ट्रू हैं, and they are more real than the purest diamonds. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody, nothing
ma'am.
so difficult,
Yes,
na? It's
ma'am.
quite easy. Got it?
Yes,
समझ
ma'am.
में आ गया? Or should I explain it
Yes,
again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Hello.
It-
Hello.
What happened? Hello?
My voice is not audible.
Your voice is not audible, so I don't want to listen to your voice. मुझे तुम्हारी आवाज थोड़ी ना
ma'am.
सुननी है.
No, ma'am.
तुम मेरी आवाज सुनोगे, मुझे नहीं सुननी ना बेटा अभी. It is from these comrades in the struggle that I learned the meaning of courage. Okay. And then he says that from these comrades, from my companions, okay, from my fellow men, जो struggle में थे, the long struggle for freedom, मैंने उन लोगों से I learned courage. Courage, you got it? Bravery. Time and again, I have seen men and women risk and give their lives for an idea. Okay. Now he says when this freedom movement had started, every now and then I have seen men and women, you know, all have put their life in danger. Okay, for an idea. For which idea? To get the country free from the brutalities of the white people. Tanisha, what are you speaking? Yes, Tanisha. Tanisha. As soon as the question is being put up to the students, he or she leaves. I don't want any of you to pass any kind of messages or write any messages during the class to anyone. Not interested, don't attend the class. The class is not for gossip. So he says that it is from these comrades, means all the people that he had mentioned, that he learned courage. And he says that every now and then I have seen the people of my country, whether men or women, they have put their life in danger for an idea, means to get freedom from the white people. I have seen men stand up to attacks and torture without breaking, showing a strength and resilience that defies the imagination. Resilience means, write down the meaning. Resilience means ability to deal with any kind of hardships, ability to deal with any kind of hardship and to recover from it. And to recover from it means you are so strong, so hard that you can face any kind of difficulty and then you overcome from that difficulty. Write the meaning. And are you able to listen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, some network problem, you know, it got disconnected a moment ago. Some network problem is there in the Wi-Fi. Okay, now can you listen? Defies means to disobey. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
So now Nelson Mandela, he says that I learned courage from all the people, from all the great people that he mentions in the above para. And he just remembers all men and women who had put their life, who have risked their life for freedom, and they have tolerated all the cruelties of the Britishers, all the oppressions of the Britishers, but still they never stopped fighting. They continued their freedom movement. Clear? I have seen men stand up to attacks and tortures without breaking. Got it? Iska kya matlab? He says that he had seen so many freedom fighters, men and women, you know, they stood up, though they were being attacked, though they were being tortured, though they were being beaten by the white people, but still they did not break, they did not discontinue the freedom movement, they did not lose their courage, okay, and showed us strength and resilience that defies the imagination. Means you cannot even imagine that strength and resilience they have shown. यानी आप सोच भी नहीं सकते हो वो उन्होंने अपनी strength show करी है. I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. Underline it. Triumph is victory, achievement. A very beautiful line spoken by Nelson Mandela. He says that he learned that courage, it did not mean the absence of fear. Courage का ये मतलब नहीं होता है कि आपके अंदर absence of fear है, okay? But the ability to overcome fear. Got it? लेकिन courage का मतलब है आपके अंदर इतनी ability है, ओके इतनी काबिलियत है कि आपने जो आपके अंदर जो डर है उस पर काबू पा लिया है. You have overcome it. Clear? So he says that he learned that courage, you know, it did not mean the absence of fear, but the ability to overcome fear. Got it? The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. And finally, he says that the brave man, you know, or the man or the person who overcomes his fear is known as a brave person. समझ में आ गया? brave हम किसको कहते हैं? जो अपने फियर को, अपने डर को है ना ओवरकम कर लेता है,
बहादुर.
ठीक है, उस पर काबू पा लेता है. ओके, आई एम नॉट आस्किंग द ट्रांसलेशन, आई वांट द डेफिनेशन. आई एम नॉट आस्किंग यू टू ट्रांसलेट इट. Got it? So according to Nelson Mandela, a person who overcomes his fear, he is known as a brave person or a courageous person. Got it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. So it is time now, beta. Right? Just revise it. Got it? It is a long chapter, so it is going to take time and I cannot run with it. Why? Because as I said, it is one of the most important chapters of. Clear? So I just cannot rush with it. You better keep on revising if you want to score good marks. If you don't want to score good marks, then it's fine. But if you want to score good marks, keep on revising whatever has been taught by me. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. God bless you all, okay?
You are.
Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, beta. Thank you.